If an up and coming artist says, "Give me some advice,"
my advice would be define who you are and what you are, and be clear on that. Meditate on that, and then live and die by it.
You have kids now, but
Yeah.
when you look back on the stuff that you quote unquote shouldn't have done, or the trouble you got into, would you have changed that?
There's things I would change, and the things I would change is the things that affected other people in a negative way. I don't feel like it's worth it. You know what I mean? To hurt people, or to like your actions to be so driven by ambition that they rub other people the wrong way. I would change those things. Anything else? Nah, that's the testimony.
That's you.
That's what gave me my understanding, was that I can reflect in them moments of being confused.
Rick Ross wanted me to ask you a question.
Okay.
He looks at you and says, "You are West Coast. You are the next generation of Crenshaw. You're giving back." His question is, what's the sense of responsibility to that?
Right. You can't break the rules, the fundamental rules. Be a man of your word. Do what you say you're gonna do. Respect people the way you would like to be respected. You know, my reach was the people that know me. So when you really think about it, who put me on? Those people.
Yeah.
You know, and they spent $5 with me. My sales pitch used to be, you know, if it's garbage, throw it out the window, bro. I know your lifestyle.
Yeah.
Cause it's my lifestyle. I'm speaking to your lifestyle. It's very concise what the content of this record is. But if it's garbage, toss it out the window. I just want $5. And people supported me when they didn't have a reason to, just based on, you know what, you a young person trying, and I'ma support the ambition.
زغبالكم تخاتلتي نايدا channel نايلوم مدبنا نزي مسل نيرو إذا فيديو تقاميت كوينان ترخيبكم لايك هابوا نتوم زيرا ايوان نخرق وادمات شير بمقبر تخافلتنا مدباتنا قبروهم نبلنا دقيمنا رحس حدش عمتن بعلدتن كون لكم نتمننا أبزغتل بخالق مدب كسابنا رغب بروح كنا